Before we start, I would like to ask you, how much privacy do you think is generally required? How much privacy can we give up without feeling insecure? Let me tell you that it is inevitable for some privacy to be sacrificed as technology advances and we get connected more and more to the internet and technology. And the day we integrate ourselves more to technology might be closer than one may think. Well, this has already happened to us before. Social media was created. We enjoyed much more privacy before it was ever created, but we still chose to make accounts and join various social media platforms, even after the fact that we knew that it made our lives more public. It might be the same case with Neuralink, but the advantages in this case are much, much larger than being able to connect with your distant relatives, friends, and family members. You may ask, what is Neuralink? Neuralink is a company created to connect the human brain with technology in a more seamless way and increase the data rate transfer between you and technology. Elon Musk, the pioneering tech tycoon, who is also the CEO of Neuralink, has already talked about how we are some sort of cyborg in a way, with our laptops and phones acting as an external organ. This is justified, as whenever I can't find my phone, I feel like I have lost a limb. Neuralink will implant an electrode like device into the brain via a machine with pinpoint precision and accuracy, with which Elon claims can fix brain related diseases and can cure things such as disorders and can also help in restoring eyesight, memory, etc. He estimates that in the best case scenario, it may just take 5 to 10 years until humans can communicate without speaking a word. The amount of privacy that needs to be sacrificed is the real question. How much privacy are humans willing to sacrifice to progress further? And how much of that privacy will be as important as it is today? Something we may consider important to keep private 3 years ago might not so be the case today. For example, that one silly thing I did to the waiter about 3 years ago might not be so important to me as it is today. Or that one time I tripped over my own leg when I was 13. And how much of the things that we keep private are actually valuable to others? No one really cares about that one time you fought with a monkey and lost, or that one time you ate your car keys along with ice cream accidentally. Yes, things such as your credit card information, social security ID, and identity should be protected at all costs. But it is the responsibility of the companies who wish to bring such technology into the market who should be responsible for this. Even if this cyborg AI human symbiotic future doesn't come true, it is needed to know that as technology advances, there is an inevitable sacrifice of privacy that needs to be made. But these companies should realize that privacy is implied and not up for discussion. It should always be what the people want to tell about themselves rather than what the others want to know about them.